Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we'll discuss how we can install and use NVIDIA GeForce Experience on Windows 11. So with that being said, let's get started. First of all, we have to install the application. For that, simply open any browser and search for NVIDIA GeForce Experience and open the link from nvidia.com. Don't worry about the download link. I'll provide the download link in the description box. Now here we have the download page. Simply click on download now and wait for the download process to complete. Once the download has been completed, simply open the installer file. And here we have the NVIDIA GeForce Experience installer window. Let me minimize the browser. Simply accept the license agreement by clicking on accept and agree. And wait for the installation process to complete. Now to use NVIDIA Experience, you have to log into your NVIDIA account. If you don't have NVIDIA account, then you can simply create one. Now here we have the application interface. Using NVIDIA GeForce Experience, you can optimize your games and game settings. Also, you can update your game ready driver and studio driver, and you can also capture your gameplay. Now let me show you how you can use the application. To update the driver, simply click on this drivers option, and here you can click on check for updates and wait for the update process to complete. If there is any available driver update, you can simply install it. Also, you can reinstall your driver by clicking on this three dot icon, then click on reinstall driver. We already have a video on how you can update your NVIDIA graphics card driver, so I'll provide the video link in the I button, or you will get the video link in the description box. Now let me show you how you can optimize your games and applications. On the home section, you will find all your applications and the games that can be optimized using NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Simply select apps and games, click on details, and here you will find optimize option. Simply click on optimize and it will optimize it. So that's it. This is how you can install and use NVIDIA GeForce Experience on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.